Hey guys, Krzysztof the Polish Geek here, and welcome to another nature adventure video. And this time I'm hiking a mountain called Łysa Góra, which is a famous mountain in Poland, also known as, in English it would be referred to as Bold Mountain. And according to the legend, the witches used to meet on those mountains, according to Polish folk tales at least. Yeah, and it's a very, very amazing mountain, and let's climb the top. See, there we go. This is the hiking trail we are climbing through on this mountain. That's the trail. And now we're getting to the stairs, which means it's closer to the top of the mountain. And here, almost at the top of the mountain, we have a chapel with the Virgin Mary. And there we see a monastery over there that I'm about to soon enter, but for legal reasons I will not be able to show you the inside. So now we are finally getting to the top of the mountain where the monastery is located, but as I just said, sadly I won't be able to show you the inside for legal reasons. But that's the top of the Bold Mountain, in Polish known as Łysa Góra, that we just got into. Okay, I climbed to the top of the tower of the monastery, and look at that amazing view. Look at that amazing view. Okay, the monastery was amazing. Now, time to go down the bottom of the Bold Mountain, or Łysa Góra, as we call it in Polish. And we're back at the bottom of the mountain. And that was a pretty awesome adventure up there at the top. And talk to you later, bye!